When you signed up for a semester of study abroad in Spain, you may not have been aware of the rich cultural heritage that both unites and divides the various regions of Spain. Our study journey will take us from Barcelona, the historical capital of the Crown of Aragon, south to the neighboring region of Valencia, another of the historic Països Catalans, or Catalan countries. We will pass through a rich and varied landscape of wetlands and fields, producing many of the products typical of the Mediterranean cuisine: grapes, olives, chufa, oranges, and other fruits and vegetables. We will journey across ancient frontiers to Morella, a beautiful hilltop town that is part of the community of Valencia directly to the south of Catalonia. Surrounded by walls and crowned by a medieval castle, it is probably the best conserved medieval town in Valencia. The layout and design, with 6 medieval portals and winding streets, throws the visitors back to another era. In the high city is the Basilica of Santa Maria al Mayor, a jewel of Gothic architecture, and the majestic ruins of the Monastery of St. Francis. From here, visitors can hike a steep walk up to the ruins of the Castle of Morella, which dominates the town and is reputed to have been built by the famous El Cid. As we continue south, we reach Valencia, Spain's third largest city, which comes as a pleasant surprise to many. Home to paella, orange trees, and great art museums, Valencia is also blessed with good weather and a sophisticated atmosphere. It is a brilliant and friendly city that boasts Europe's newest cultural and scientific complex, the City of Arts and Sciences, a unique complex devoted to science and culture. The cathedral was founded in the 13th century, on the site of the main mosque. It is a spectacular hybrid of styles, from Romanesque and Gothic to Baroque and Neoclassical, with portals reflecting the tastes of each period of construction. The cathedral is even supposedly home to the mythical Holy Grail. The Llotja is a World Heritage Site. It was the original commodities exchange for the city, and it bears witness to the power and wealth of one of the great Mediterranean mercantile cities. Valencia is also famed for its gastronomy. Paella is the most international of Valencian dishes. It takes its name from the dish it is prepared in, and is basically a rice dish with different local variations: chicken, rabbit, duck, snails, vegetables, seafood. It can all be added to this versatile dish. Another element of Muslim cultural heritage is the refreshing milky drink called horchata, produced from sugar, water, and the tiger nuts harvested in the nearby Alboraya. The most famous festival in Valencia is the Fallas, 5 days and nights of continuous fiesta in mid-March that end with the burning of enormous satirical effigies filled with fireworks across the entire city. The festivities are accompanied by mascletas, a type of firework renowned for their powerful rhythmic noise rather than their visual effects. The preparation over the whole year formed part of the social fabric of distinct neighborhoods. As we head out from the city of Valencia, we find Peníscola, nestled amongst the picturesque coastline. A fortified seaport with a lighthouse, Peníscola is joined to the mainland by only a narrow strip of land. The present castle fortifications were begun at the end of the 13th century by the Knights Templar, and it was the home of the Avignon Pope, Benedict XIII, Pedro de Luna, or known as Papa Luna. Every year, thousands descend upon this treasure of a town to enjoy its distinctive charms and bask in the beauty of the seaside. From the mountain tops of Morella to the city of Valencia to the coastline of Peníscola, the Valencian region of Spain offers something for everyone.